What's up, guys? Today we're back, and this is part 2 of trying to get to, this is part 2 of Subway, no, this is part 3 of Subway Surfers. The first video I just played for fun. The second video, I got to 1 million, and this is part 2. So that means I need to get to 2 million. And I'm already almost there. I filmed a little. This is the same game I was in when I had 1 million. So right now I have 1,300,000, and I need to get to 2 million, or I need to see how far I can go. So we're gonna see how far we can go. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Subway Surfers is probably the most viewed video I have ever had. That's why I keep playing it and keep making parts and stuff like that. You know what I mean? It's a fun game. Especially when you're at school and you're bored, you know. It is a positively fun game. Okay, we're almost at 1,400,000 already. Oh da da ooh da, oh na na no. I don't know why it's not playing any music in the background. It's weird. Let me try something. Ah da ooh da, da da oh. That's actually very weird. I don't know why. Oh, we're 9 out of 10 music things, by the way. We need one more music thing to pop up, and then we'll get something. I don't know what it does. And boom. Make the jump. Okay. Boom. Okay. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. We're not built for fighting. That's what I am for. Right foot. Left foot. Grab the board, jump up, left, middle, down, right, down, right, down, right, down, right, left, right, right, jump, jump, left, jump, right, down, left, fudge. Boom. Make the jump. Okay, my highest score is, I don't remember. I know my highest score is 2 million. So we're at least gonna get 2. We're at least gonna get above my high score, at least, I think, maybe. Almost at boom. Boom. 1,500,000. We're halfway there. Well, we're not halfway. We're actually 75% way there if we're really getting technical. Okay. Been living on a barrel through. Take my hand and we'll make it out swell. Boop, 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 boop. Boom. Boom. Right, left, right, left, left, right, 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 left, 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 right, left, 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 left. Boom, boom, wop, boop, bada, bang, bang. Boom. Nothing's gonna go in the middle. Hee 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 hee. Hee 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 hee. Oh, 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 oh. You will not build a do. Boom, boom, boom. Bada, bing, bop, boom, boom. Bada, bang. Dang it, I could have got that 40-er. Dang it. Oh, now we just did. Let's go. 1,600,000, guys. We're almost there. Keep liking and subscribing. This is how my subscriber count will be going up if I ever get popular. On the top right, that's what my subscriber count's gonna look like. If you can gain subscribers that fast, you would have to be like a YouTube channel for like the whole world. Like, duh. If I die right here, I don't think I can respawn. I don't have any keys, and I already used my ad. Not build waiting, that's why I'm here. We're running out of boards. We're running out of boards. We're running out of boards. Holy jinkies, man. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Left, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Wee. And 1,700,000, baby. Whoo! Only 300,000 more. We're almost there. How much pain and suffering I've gone through just to make it here. I've been doing this for like an hour. Okay? You don't want to know my pain. Left, 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 right, right. Left, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Ooh, 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 ooh. Boom. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Oh my god, now I have to be her. I have to be the top runner. Don't call me crazy, but... What up, good looking? Okay, boom. I'm not saying I have very long videos. I'm not saying you have to watch all of them, but at least like and subscribe for me, please. For my pain and suffering, man. Because this is taking too long. Well, I've been here for like an hour. Straight playing this game. I mean, I haven't been filming for an hour. I started filming when I got close to 2 million. This one's better. $1,800,000 now. Boom. 1,800,000. We're almost there, guys. Like and subscribe. wish I can AFK do this, you know? It wouldn't be as hard. It wouldn't be as easy, but I don't care. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Imagine, let's see if we can make it to 10,000 coins. Left, 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 right, right, right. Driving down my car and driving down my car. Universals. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm going ham. Oh my god. I can't, bro. I can't, bro. Boom, 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 boom. My back is killing me. Left, 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 right, 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 right. Spawn hoverboard. Boom. Oh, 1,900,000. We're almost there, guys. My back is killing me, man. Totes killing me. I'm stretching right now. My back is killing me. If I die at like 1,999,999, you know how mad I'm gonna be? I'm gonna be so furious, bro. I'm gonna be good. Oh, I'm gonna be angry. Oh, I can't even tell you how angry I'm gonna be because that's how angry I'm gonna be. Bro, are you serious right now? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going ham. Okay, whip out that hoverboard. And not the hoverboard you think. Let me pause it. I need to get up on my bed again. I fell off. I fell off at like 1,800,000. I'm sorry, na 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 na. Bum 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 bum. 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 Oh, da 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 da. 3, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 million. Woo! Finally, bro. Let me get to 2,100,000, okay? And then I'll stop because 2,100,000, I think that's my record. Well, now the title can't be can't be clickbaited, so you know that's cool. That's cool. That's extra cool. Extra cool. Hopefully it beats my high score. Oh my god, I forgot I don't have a board. Ooh, cheese curds. Ooh. Ooh. What is that noise outside? Dang, someone's taking the hit. Someone's taking the hit. Come on, 10,000 coins. There's 148. 10,000 coins. Whoa, 10,000 coins. Finally. Now I should get to 2,100,000 and then we can stop. Oh. You cannot fathom the amount of back pain I have right now. But I do it for you guys, you know. I really want those. You guys are like my family. You know? The family I have always had. I'm just gonna say never had because I have a family, but you guys are like my best friend's family. Oh wait, no, that's not a good way to phrase it. Boom, chakalaka. Finally. Okay, guys, we hit 2,100,000. This video is 60 minutes long. I know you're probably like, Jesse, don't kill yourself. Oh wait, that sounds wrong. Jesse, don't kill yourself. I kind of want to get those rewards. But if you guys want a part 2, like and subscribe, and I'll make a part 2.